Hey there, food lovers! Get ready to embark on a delightful culinary adventure. Today, we're baking the most fabulous robin's egg chocolate cake ever. Imagine sinking your teeth into a moist, chocolatey cake frosted with creamy, dreamy frosting. Each bite is a delightful symphony of flavors that leaves you craving more. So, get your aprons ready, gather your ingredients, and dive into this exciting baking journey. Get ready for an exciting baking adventure. First things first, let's round up our amazing ingredients. This recipe is a breeze to follow, featuring easy-to-find, pantry staple ingredients that guarantee a delightful and stress-free baking adventure. For the cake, you'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, salt, eggs, buttermilk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and boiling water. For the frosting, we'll be using unsalted butter, powdered sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, vanilla extract, salt, and milk. And for our secret robin's egg surprise, we'll need blue gel food coloring. Remember, quality ingredients are key to a delicious cake. So, choose wisely, and let's get started. Hey there, baking stars! Get ready to make some magic in the kitchen because it's time to preheat our ovens to a sizzling 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the moment that sets the stage for our delicious cake to rise to perfection. A well-preheated oven is the secret ingredient to an amazing bake. So let's crank up that heat and get started on this tasty adventure. Next, we need to grease and flour two 9-inch round baking pans. This might seem like a small step, but it makes a big difference. Properly prepared pans prevent the cake from sticking and help it release effortlessly. This ensures our cake won't stick and will rise beautifully. A well-greased and floured pan is like a safety net for your cake, ensuring it comes out looking perfect. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. These dry ingredients form the foundation of our cake, providing structure and flavor. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, buttermilk, oil, and vanilla extract. The wet ingredients add moisture and richness to our cake, making it tender and delicious. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. It's important not to overmix at this stage to keep the cake light and airy. Now for a touch of magic. Carefully pour in the boiling water while mixing at low speed. The boiling water helps to bloom the cocoa powder, intensifying the chocolate flavor and creating a smooth batter. The batter will be thin, but don't worry, that's what we want. A thin batter ensures a moist and tender cake, so resist the urge to add more flour. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared pans and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Even distribution of the batter ensures even baking. Once baked, let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes before inverting them onto a wire rack to cool completely. This cooling period allows the cake to set and makes it easier to handle. Remember, patience is key in baking. Allowing the cakes to cool completely ensures they are firm enough to frost and decorate without falling apart. As our cakes cool to perfection, let's dive into the delicious world of chocolate frosting and whip up something truly indulgent. Get ready for a frosting that will take our cakes to the next level. In a large bowl, beat the butter on medium speed until light and fluffy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and salt, beating until well combined. Add the milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the frosting reaches your desired consistency. We want a frosting that's spreadable but not too runny. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of milk to achieve the perfect texture. Once the frosting is ready, set it aside. We'll use it to frost our cake once it's completely cooled. Now, onto the star of the show, the robin's egg surprise. Get ready to welcome spring with a burst of color. Introducing the robin's egg secret, a delightful adventure that will transform your kitchen into a vibrant oasis. What could be more enchanting than a stunning robin's egg blue cake? Let's dive into a world of cheerful hues and fresh flavors that celebrate the season in style. Here comes the fun part. Baking is not just about following a recipe. It's about adding your own touch and creativity. Take a small amount of the remaining cake batter and gently mix in a few drops of blue gel food coloring. Make sure to mix it well so the color is evenly distributed. You want a vibrant robin's egg blue color. This shade is key to capturing the essence of spring and the beauty of a robin's egg. Once you've achieved the desired shade, spoon the blue batter into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag with a corner snipped off. This will make it easier to control the batter as you add it to the cake. Now, gently swirl the blue batter into the remaining white batter in the pan. Don't overmix. The goal is to create beautiful, artistic swirls. We want swirls of blue, mimicking the beauty of a robin's egg. These swirls will give each slice of cake a unique and stunning appearance. This step adds a whimsical touch to our cake, making it a delightful surprise for anyone who takes a bite. The robin's egg blue swirls not only look beautiful, but also bring a sense of joy and wonder to your baking. It's time to create a masterpiece. Let's roll up our sleeves and get ready to assemble this delicious cake. Our cakes are cool, our frosting is ready, and our robin's egg batter is prepped. It's time to assemble our masterpiece. Place one cake layer on a serving plate or cake stand. Evenly frost the top with a generous layer of chocolate frosting. Carefully place the second cake layer on top of the frosting, ensuring it's centered. Now frost the entire cake with the remaining frosting, creating a smooth and elegant finish. Remember, you can get creative with your frosting technique. Use a piping bag to create decorative swirls, or simply spread it evenly for a classic look. It's your cake, your masterpiece. Get ready to sprinkle some enchantment on your masterpiece with a touch of magic as we dive into the art of decorating your creation. Now that our cake is frosted, let's add a touch of magic with some decorations. You can sprinkle the top with colorful sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or even fresh berries. Feel free to get creative and personalize your cake. Remember, baking is all about expressing your creativity. Once you're happy with your decorations, place the cake in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the frosting to set. This will make slicing and serving a breeze. Now, get ready to indulge in the most fabulous robin's egg chocolate cake ever. It's time to treat yourself. Get ready to savor every moment as we serve up something special. Let's bring on the drum roll and dive into the enjoyment. It's time to slice into our beautiful creation and savor the flavors of spring. Use a sharp knife to cut the cake into generous slices, revealing the beautiful robin's egg surprise inside. Serve each slice on a pretty plate and pair it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. The combination of rich chocolate cake, creamy frosting, and the refreshing surprise of the blue batter is simply divine. This cake is perfect for any occasion, from birthday parties to potlucks to a simple after-dinner treat. Enjoy every bite. We've arrived at our sweet farewell, but don't forget to stay connected. Huge congratulations to all of you baking stars. Your journey doesn't end here. Let's keep the excitement going. You've successfully baked the most fabulous robin's egg chocolate cake ever. We hope this recipe brought joy to your kitchen and sweetness to your day. Remember, baking is all about experimenting, having fun, and creating delicious memories. Don't forget to share pictures of your beautiful creations on social media and tag us. You can even share in the comments below. We love seeing your baking adventures. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell as more exciting recipes and baking tips are coming soon. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking adventure. Until next time, happy baking.